Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires! Tappy is here, ready to guide you through the confusing world of cryptocurrency. Centralized exchanges offer a pretty accessible entry point for newbies in the mysterious world of cryptocurrencies. And they can also be used to buy tokens to transfer to other wallets. You can create an account with one of the reputable exchanges that are well known in the field. Most CEXs need Know Your Customer (KYC) checks. While trying to pass one, you'll need to provide identification. Once it's approved, you can use your account to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And of course, don't forget to turn on additional safety features. I bet you've heard of two-factor authentication and stuff. And don't act out this joke, please. How can you tell who owns Bitcoin at a party? Don't worry, they'll tell you. Now, attention! Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that pretty bell to take part in more crypto adventures. See you after reconnecting, happy tapping, and stay as crypto cool as your fan allows you. Tappy deactivated.